Lukot ka ying dorbar thau an ka Meglaya usaling sangma uloong bale ban penlong ding shangdo tangi tanat penmi boarding electric but yung menteri James PK sangma habadon ka jingbam sap haman la ka tanat trekam sorkar. Usaling sangma ubalong unong mi kamat nagasing san hima sima Nationalist Congress Party NCP ubakrishan ka sorkar Meglaya Democratic Alliance ubalakren hakilat pathai kubor shapang kajing jong kisamla bapirshang ban shimram neki bang uloong bag sorkar ka diban slot kam ye ki officer sorkar ki babam sap bun ba ki officer ki babat ikatika kerdan tangkat tu kat nipor ki lathit kali thamai bat tei ki ying bahe laong usaling sangma bat kentui ka sorkar ban ne ya kani uni unong mi khmat uloong bagajing bam sap kalong ka bajur ha ka tanat kam karkhana namar bagajing bam tere jengki officer ban ai ki certificate ki samla ban persyang ban sing kam lajang ban yo aram ne ki bank wat lada kata ka single window agency kala dap menjuri ka kerteng jengki
Lots of youths and then lots of unemployment people out there who wants to show their skill, and then they have already applied for the single window, to be cleared, and then maximum of them has been cleared. But till that, I don't know why the industry department, they are not issuing any kind of certificate or not issuing any kind of a go ahead to those who has already applied. You see, because after single window they clearance, only they will apply for the loan and all. But till now, since they have not cleared, okay, it's already been cleared by the single window, but the government, they have not issued, the department. I don't know why. What is the scam behind? I don't know. Whether these people need money? Because our people, yesterday also I have seen, our chief minister is trying to, build the entrepreneurs within the state. But if this kind of system continues, then you're talking about the corruption. This is also one of the corruption. Why you're not allowing? Or because our, the youths or maybe the individuals who cannot pay them, that's why they are stuck. This is not good, These habits are not good. They should change. There's a lot of youths who has already come back during this COVID-19. They have also applied, but they're not getting anything. We should give them a chance, We are talking about the IAP, this and that. But if we don't create a producer from within the state, then definitely the outsider, they will definitely enter. These are one of the solutions, where we can track the, the influx also. Unless and until we have our own producer, then how do we suppose? Because, we need some means. People used to talk about James when he was holding Home Minister. Now again he is being targeted after being, stripped off from the Home Minister. Why people are against the James? I don't know. Okay, people should also talk about the education scam. People should talk about the, the breach in, that Valley Bridge, which was already, damaged. And I would like to thank NHI, BRO, Nitin Gadkari and Preston Tensong for those who has already taken the initiative at least to look after this particular bridge. But who was the main culprit behind? Whether it was a contractor, whether it was the transport who allowed that overloaded trucks to fly over that bridge, what was the way of the bridge? All those things are there. Not only the James, it's getting fed up, every day. What about the FCI and all, food production? What about the, COVID? All those things are there. Lots of scams are there from each and every department. But why James is to be targeted every now and then? It looks funny actually. Very funny. Very, very funny actually. Why James? James was stripped from the Home Minister. Now again he was given this. And again he has been targeted. I don't know. Why people are not targeting others? Industry. There are lots of, single window which is already been cleared. Lots of entrepreneurs were there. Yesterday I have seen our Chief Minister entertaining our, the entrepreneurs actually. Okay. What about those who want to do? Okay. In industry, they are not allowing the, those who is already been released by the single window system. Why the department is still hanging all those things? Whether they need money to release the, the one which is already been approved by the single window agency. Why it is like this? Why there is a lot of corruption in every department? They should see, they should terminate some of the officers. Huh? Why only the ministers? Those who are involved in the corruption, they should terminate. This is very funny actually. Anything? The inquiry in every department, not only one department. Lots of corruptions are there. Why focus one department? Focus every department. Okay? How do you suppose a mere one single officers or anybody can, build a huge. Nowadays, you just look at any new officers coming up, they buy car, they buy, they build house within no time. So, why only focus on one individual? Focus everybody, terminate everyone who are involved in it. I would like to request all those entrepreneurs, those who has already applied and those who wanted to be entrepreneurs, okay, from the state of Meghalaya. I want them to come open. Where are your application is stuck, and then whether the single window agency has already cleared it, or why the industries are not doing it. So they should come openly. If required, you guys can call me also. We will see and deal the matter. Who are the officers who in it sitting in the chair, not issuing, or is it the government who is not doing so? So it should be very clear. So this is one of the scam, who is trying to manipulate, use the power, misuse the power. So I want all the entrepreneurs from the state who are unemployed, who have already applied for the, industry or some kind of, assistance, they should come out openly. Okay? Thank you.